Happy Halloween, everyone. To make my nails look spooky, I have made some easy and freehand nail art designs. I have made an ombre base by taking a sponge and a gray and white polish on it. As you can see, I'm dabbing the sponge on my nails. I had applied liquid latex around my nails, so I have carefully peeled that off with a tweezer. Now, starting off with my index finger, I am randomly making some freehand lines on the tip of my nail. On one side of the nail, I will be making a cross, and on the other side, I have made a gravestone, just a rounded shape, and we are good to go. On my middle finger, I have filled up the tip with the same technique, and I have made the outline of a haunted house and filled that in with the black polish. For making the outline, you need a very thin brush. At least that's what works for me. I'm filling it up with the same polish. To give it a more spookier look, I have made some extra branches of a tree just beside this house. I've made some doors and windows of the haunted house with silvery white polish. To make the division of the windows clearly visible, I have used black polish on a very thin striping brush and just drawing some random lines in between the white structure that we have drawn. On my ring finger, I have made a haunted tree. To make this, you just need some random lines here and there, but make sure that these lines are in continuation with one another. On my pinky finger, I will be making a graveyard fencing along with some bats. I think making bats was the easiest part because somehow we all have done this in our school days. Lastly, on thumb, I think I have made the collection of all my nails on my thumb. I have made a graveyard, I have made a spooky bat, I have made a tree branch here. I had also put on some white dots, but somehow that footage got deleted. Here I am locking the design with the top coat, and we are done. Isn't it easy and spooky at the same time? Please let me know in the comment section how did you find this design. If you happen to recreate my design, please share the same with me on my Instagram. Thank you so very much for tuning in. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Halloween. Bye bye.